if we want to master our different skills. So in this lesson, we are going to discuss the different types of drill and practice. We are going to identify the